Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be an alchemist. Yeah, you guys heard that right. I'm gonna be an alchemist. So guys, right now in a match, and as you can see, I'm actually the alchemist. So we can get this brewing cauldron, and it says we can actually craft 5 potions? Yeah, we can craft 5 unique potions. We just need to find the correct item. Okay, so let's buy this. Okay, so I'm gonna place it down. Ooh, I kind of like this. I tested it out before. I only got the sleeping bomb and the time bomb. Time bomb, pretty good. I don't know if it works with enchantments, but we're soon gonna find out. So it looks like we're gonna find our first 2 items. So let's collect that. Okay, so we got mushroom and some thorns. From what I saw, I only saw a flower and mushroom and thorns. That we got enemy. There's an enemy. Ooh, yeah, our teammate got him. Looks like our teammate is the miner kit. Can we get there? Ooh. I don't know what happens if you get all 3 thorns, because they kind of look pretty rare. But these mushrooms, I know for sure that they get a time bomb if you put them all. But these flowers, I don't know. This is actually kind of like Minecraft. You gotta craft stuff, but this is a lot of a mystery because they don't have like a crafting recipe at all. So do we? Because it didn't work for me. Ooh. I need to pick that up. I'm gonna carry this time bomb with me because then I look like a threat. Oh, we got enemy going to our base. I don't really care about that anymore. I'm gonna collect that. Ooh, he's coming. I'm gonna take this time bomb. Yep. I'm a time bomb chicken. Oh, that was so cool, dude. Oh no, I think we're gonna die. But like, how much damage did I take though? Okay, I just need a flower because I know this recipe a lot. I tried this off camera, or no, I actually didn't. I don't know, I saw it on YouTube, so we're gonna have to figure that out. We need another flower. I need another flower. Oh, we got enemy. I'm gonna get another flower, and I think we're gonna gear up. Oh, no! Get him! Come back here! Oh, we got him. Yep, we got him. Let's go. We got him. Okay, there are some thorns over there. Should I get that? Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Oh boy, I'm gonna get thorns. Okay, I think I'm gonna save up for armor. So I'm gonna save up for armor.
3 days later.
Okay, so I just got some armor. Ooh, my teammate needs diamonds. I'm gonna drop him diamonds. Okay, so hopefully we can actually get this. Probably gonna cut this so my first try that I got this. Maybe, who knows? Okay, so flower. No! It despawned! Why did it despawn? Why? Oh my god, it despawned. It despawned. Ooh, but there's gonna be a lot of people here because the vending machine. Okay, I'm gonna get that. Ooh, okay. Wait, pick that up. Okay, we just need 1 more flower. Oh, I thought that was a flower. But that's okay. We can get more items. It's like we got 3. Come on. Flower. Finally, we got the recipe. Okay, so this recipe should work. Yeah, it should work. So we're gonna make 3 items. So this first one, I think we need to put all 3 mushrooms. Okay, come on. Ooh, okay, so this one, I don't know what this actually even does. Okay, so this one, what are we gonna get? Come on, what is this suspension? What are we gonna get? What in the world is this? Can we eat it? Just in case, I'm gonna pull it in front of someone because I think it might be like a throwing item or something. So, okay, 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 come on, come on. What is this even? Okay, don't actually know what that does. You know, okay, no, we didn't get that. Okay, you know, I'm gonna throw this into red space because I have a feeling that's gonna do something. Okay, I'm gonna pick that up. Okay, there. Oh, that's a sleeping bomb. Items because I haven't been able to crack that recipes at all. There's like tons of recipes. I don't really know. I wish they had given the kid like a recipe guide. So it would be a lot helpful. Except you have to figure it out. I guess that's what you have to do. So, I'm gonna see if we can find some mushrooms. Obviously, I think. Oh. He's here. He's here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We got diamond armor, dude. Diamond armor, dude. Diamond armor, dude. Block. Take that. Take that. Okay, he's coming out. We better get out of here because there's enemy here. Enemy. Ooh. Flower. Ah, no wonder. I'm gonna take you out. Shot. Ooh. Don't one shot me. No. Please. Okay, he's coming back. He's coming. Oh, he's running away. Heh. Looks like a diamond armor dude's taking him. Oh no. He's. I'm actually gonna get their red. Yeah, red. You are messing up. You are about to be dead. Rhymes. Okay, I think it's following me. I think he's following me. Yep, that's for sure. He's following me. Okay, we're gonna grab this. Come on. Why does it take this long? Why? Come on. No. So guys, that was the kit Alchemist. Sadly, we didn't get to try out all 5 of the potions. Except we did try out all 3. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're also wondering how do I make all of this UI go away, you just click F1. So yeah, poo. And if you enjoyed the video, oh, I said that. Bye.